Today we are going to talk about how to use the law of attraction to attract money. We all want money to flow easily into our lives. How does something come to life so easily? If there is no block in front, it will come. If there is no block, money will flow to us easily and quickly. First we need to know what the blocks are. If there are no blocks, money will flow to us faster. More money will flow, like water, like energy. What are the first things we need to know about money blocks? One is that many people think that it is difficult to make money. That too is a block. Many people have this block. Especially when their parents were struggling to make money, and parents often tell their children that it is very difficult to make money, spend money very carefully. Many people think that it is very difficult to earn money because of what they hear when they are young. This has been ingrained in their subconscious since childhood. These people have been thinking since childhood that it is very difficult to earn money. These are money blocks. Get these out of your mind. If you want to attract money, you have to have an optimistic mindset. What is that mindset? Money flows easily to me. Making money is easy. Think so. If you want to make more money, if you want easy cash flow, get out of the mindset that it is difficult to make money. Number 2. Do not hate those who have money. Do not be jealous of those who have money. If your friend or relative has more money than you, do not jealous of them. Please glad to see he has the money. Number 3. Respect for money. It is very important. Some people want money, but they crush the bank notes and put them in their wallets. So how does money flow? You treat money. You respect money. When you see a coin falling on the road, pick it up and practice saying thank you. Think of it as a signal from the universe. Think of it as a sign given to you by the universe that money is flowing to you. Number 4. When we spend money on things we want to spend, say thank you for it. Do not be afraid to spend that money. When you pay the electricity bill, think that I have electricity because of you. Say thank you and spend it. Otherwise, do not blame it and spend it. Thanks for letting me spend this. Thank you for buying from this supermarket. Think that I can go home now and feed my family thanks to that. Always be thankful when spending. Do not blame it. Always practice saying thank you. You talk to money often. They can hear. Thanks, money. My life has changed for the better because of you. I have helped a lot of people because of you. Thank you. Unexpectedly, money is flowing to me. Millions of dollars are flowing to me. Thank you. Talk like that. Think like that. Treat to money. You cannot even imagine the results. When you start doing this, you will definitely increase the amount of money you get. You cannot even imagine. I'm not saying that you will get millions of rupees at once, but the amount of money you get will definitely increase. When you do this, good opportunities will come to you to make money. New doors will open for you to make money. New business opportunities will open up for you. The time you have left with money will start to increase. Avoid the idea that it is difficult to make money in the first of all, and avoid being jealous of those who have money. Remove these money blocks. Then it is easy to make money and think that money is flowing to you quickly. Money flows in large amount in unexpected ways. Always think so. When you remove the money blocks and do it this way, the money will flow to you like water. You must do this. You commit now, the money is coming to me very easily in large amount. Thanks, money. Thanks to the universe. As you write, when you comment like this, it will be stored in your subconscious very quickly. Change the way you think about money right now. Open yourself to money. Let the money come into your life. The more you say thank you, the more opportunities you have to say thank you. Join the channel to get what you want and move on. Subscribe now. So thank you.